I explain how to resharpen. Okay, so at first, riverside sharpening. It's okay. Then now this stone is 1,000 stone. 1,000 stone. With water and this is diamond stone. They flatten the stone. Because always you have to flatten the 1,000 stone. If the stone not flat, your blade made round blade. The blade may become round. So the stone is always flat. Flat is very important. So when you flat the stone, you have to use the diamond stone. I recommend it. For now, I sharpen the blade. There are a few ways how to sharpen angle. You can choose different way. So you can choose easy to way. I recommend the way is the blade tip and the stone long side even. You push on the tip. Two finger, or one finger. これはyou can choose my easy way. My way, in my case, I use my two finger. Put on the backside on the center. The push. Next, when you move the blade forward, only push down. When you come back the blade, no push. Only one direction push. Only forward. The blade forward. Only push. Like that. And when you sharpen the blade, and you can use the flatten area only. You can use flatten area only. Once your blade pass the stone already become round. So if twice, 3 times, 4 times, same area, you sharpen the blade. The stone already round. So the blade also round. No good. It is no good. So you have to only one time you use. So like that. Already I use whole stone one time. So next you have to flat the stone with diamond stone. So always flat stone is flat. Flat is very important. Again, sharpen. the important things is when you important things is conscious the sharpening. ね when you sharpen the blade, you if you think another things, maybe the blade cannot cut. So when you sharpen the blade, only you have to concentrate the sharpening. Yeah, this is very important thing. で、a few times sharpening after, you have to check the burr. ね、burr. で、can feel until you can feel the burr. ね The point is you have to know the version of no burr, the version of the burr. You have to know. Of course, if the tip has a few chip or jagged, you have to sharp until the chip or the jagged until disappear, and you have to sharpen. Yeah? Of course. Now I can feel the burr. So and the surface, the surface completely flat and uniform, uniform condition. This color and this color is different because this steel is soft steel. This steel is hard steel, so color is different. But this surface is already uniform. Uniform is very important. Next, finish stone. In my case, 8,000. Okay. This stone is 8,000. Also, you have to flat the stone with diamond plate. This case here little bit black. Black point, black area is little deep area, so not flat. So you have to do flat until this black spot disappear. It is okay. Next, I finish sharpen the blade. At first, my back side already I can feel the burr. So once I have to remove the burr with 8,000 stone. So put on like that. A few remove. Check the burr. で、a little bit remove the burr, but the burr appear this side, this bevel side. So next, I have to sharpen the bevel side. The same way. Okay. At that time, the burr again, little bit remove, but again, the burr appear the backside. So once you have to remove the burr back with backside. You have to a few times this way. The purpose of the sharpening is completely remove the burr, but completely remove the burr is cannot perfectly. So as much as possible, remove the burr. Already I use the stone hole. So again, I have to flat the stone. Always the stone is flat. Very, very important. When you use the finished stone, the surface, the bevel side and the back side, not shiny or not uniform. So you come back to the 1000 stone because the flat, the surface and the back side, not flat. So you have to go back. You have to back to the 1000 stone. But anyway, you have to shape the flattened surface. So you have to back to the 1000. A little bit more. This time it's okay. Okay. The next, die adjust. Once put in the blade, and chip breaker also. Once you have to check the bottom side. So I adjust the blade and the bottom side. ね。So I try to shaping. で、when at first the body material ね。So you what the die. ね。So you can see the sound. You can sound the blade and material touch. ね。で if you cannot sound the blade and still go out. So until you can listen the sound. ね。You can listen the sound. And when the sound stop, listen the sound. You push forward. ね。Move the forward. で、when the sound stop, and the blade goes through the material. So this point, the position, the position of starting point, starting shape. Okay. And when you shape the material, keep distance. The body and your body. The body, your body. Keep distance. Same distance. で、and you catch, ね、here. で、you pinch here. で、almost pull only. Almost pull ね。You little bit push down here. で、little bit, non stop ね。Don't stop.